Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Geeta's UPSC Corner. So friends, in this video, I will be starting polity series of NCERT Class 6. Okay, so let us start from Unit 1 of Class 6, Understanding Diversity. So diversity means having different racial, ethnic, socio-economic and cultural backgrounds in a different range of people. That is nothing but diversity. So let's get started into the chapter. So I will be telling a brief summary. That's it. I was not explaining in a detailed manner. I was giving an overview of the chapter. So diversity is nothing but a different languages, various types of food, celebrate different festivals and different religions, and also different clothing. So in our country, there are many states who practice different languages, different culture, different religion, different festivals, and they also will be taking different type of food material, and also they will be wearing different clothing. Although everything is different, we are all same. Okay, so that is diversity. So we things we do things in a similar manner, but we do them in a different way. So it is a we do many things in similar manner, but we do them in different ways. And also, people travel from one part of the world to another for new place to settle or people to trade with. And also, if no food to eat because of drought and famine conditions, people use it to travel from one part of the world to another part of the world. Okay, so from traveling from one place to another place, we will be carrying our culture to the new place where we are going. So like the British came to India to rule us. They brought the British culture to India, and they took our culture to their country. So there will be interchanging of cultures. Okay, here example, British and Arab, a mix is old and new cultures developed. If they took our culture to their place, there will be mixing of their culture and our culture in their country. Likewise, in our country, there will be mixing of culture of our country and the British people's culture. So there is intermixing of culture, and in general, again there will be new culture developed. So it is diversity. So let us understand how geographical factors will influence the diversity of a religion. Here in this chapter, there are two places given which will influence diversity of a region. So in this chapter, they have given Ladakh versus Kerala. So they have given two places. One is Ladakh and another Kerala, and they asked us how they are influencing the diversity of a region. So let us discuss about Ladakh region, in which there will be comparison between two places which will influence the diversity of the region. So here the Ladakh is also known as Little Tibet. So after completion of this slide, you will be knowing why Ladakh is known as Little Tibet. So Ladakh is now separated into separate union territory from Jammu and Kashmir on 31st October 2019. So it was now a separate union territory. It was once a part of Jammu and Kashmir, in which Ladakh was a cold desert mountains. Okay, so as this Ladakh is covered with snow all of the year, there will be less chance of agriculture. Okay, so in the economy NCRT, we have already learned that agriculture is the main source of the people in India, but in Ladakh region, as agriculture is not possible due to the snow, here the economic activity was weaving. Okay, people here use it to rear sheep and goats. From the sheep and goats, from the yak cows, they used to produce pashmina shawls. Okay, they used to produce wool which was weaved by the Kashmiri weavers. Okay, from the traders of Kashmir, it was imported to all of the country and different parts of the country and different parts of the world. This pashmina shawl was imported to different parts of the world and different parts of the country also. So this pashmina shawl and this weaving was the main economic activity of the Ladakh. Okay, so people use it to take meat and milk products. They use it to take butter, cheese, paneer, cream, etc., etc. Okay, so there was pass in Ladakh region. There was passes in Ladakh region. So from these passes, the travelers used it to carry textiles, spices, carpets to Tibet. Okay, so from the passes, they used to take spices, carpets, and textiles to the Tibet region. Okay, like carpets and spices and textiles, they also took Buddhism to Tibet. Okay, from Ladakh only via Ladakh. So Buddhism and Muslim population. There was significant Muslim population in Ladakh region. So Ladakh was once a part of Jammu and Kashmir. It was a cold desert and there was no agriculture possible as it was covered with snow. And people here used to drink water in summer by melting the snow. Okay, and also they used to rear sheep and goats, yak cows, etc., etc., which produces wool in order to resist from the cold. Okay, so this wool produced by the sheep and goats was collected and then it was weaved by the traders of Kashmir and was sold to the different parts of the country and different parts of the world. Okay, and there was they were eating the milk and meat products. Okay, they were carrying the travelers who were carrying through the passes in the Ladakh region. They used to carry textiles, spices, and carpets to Tibet region. Okay, and also like travelers carry spices and carpets, they also took Buddhism to the Tibet region via Ladakh only. So the Islam region was introduced more than 400 years ago. Okay, so Ladakh has a rich and oral tradition of songs and poems, and also Tibetan national epic, the Kesar Saga, was performed and sung by both Muslims and Buddhists in the Ladakh region. So it was known as Little Tibet. That is why it was known as Little Tibet. Okay. So as you have seen here in the map, beside Jammu and Kashmir, there was a Ladakh. From Pakistan to Jammu and Kashmir to Ladakh, there was a trade route to Tibet region. Okay. From Pakistan to Jammu and Kashmir, which was in violet color, to Ladakh region, to Tibet region. There was a trade route. Okay, here it is Ladakh region, which was separated from Jammu and Kashmir on 31st October 2019. Okay, so let us see about the Kerala part. Okay, so coming to Kerala part, as compared to Ladakh region, in the Ladakh, as it was covered with the mountains and snow. Here in Kerala also it was surrounded by sea on one side and mountains on other side. Okay, and here it was well suited for agriculture. In the Ladakh it was not well suited for agriculture because it was covered with snow in all the part of the all the year. Okay, so they used to eat milk products, but here in Kerala people used to eat rice, fish, and vegetables. Okay, and pepper, cloves, cardamoms are grown here, and it attracted traders. As Vasco da Gama came to India, he was attracted He was attracted for the spices grown here. Okay, so he took the spices to his country and sell them. So these pepper and cloves and cardamom, which are grown here, attracted so many traders. Okay, and also Jewish and Arab were the first to come to Kerala. Okay, next Saint Thomas, he was credited with bringing Christianity to India. And also Vasco da Gama discovered sea route from Europe to India and he reached Calicut, which was in the Kerala. Okay, like Ladakh, in Ladakh, like Muslims and Buddhists, which was followed by the people. Here in Kerala, people used to follow Judaism, Islam, Hinduism, Christianity, and Buddhism. Okay, and also here people used to use fishing nets. There was a so many there were so many rivers, and also people use it to make fishing as a primary source of activity along with agriculture. So people use it to use fishing nets which were known as china wala, and also they used to use utensils which were used for cooking and frying, known as china chatti, in which the chin word was derived from china. And it was said that there was huge impact of china on the kerala, like Kerala and China resembles the same. According to my view, Kerala and China resembles the same. Kerala follows the Communist Party and China also follows the same Communist Party. So Kerala and China resembles the same. So while Kerala and Ladakh are quite different in terms of geographical features, the history was similar in cultural influences. Both the regions were influenced by Chinese and Arab traders. Okay, so in the Kerala also they used to grow spices, in which Ladakh also used to grow some spices like saffron, etc., etc., in which they used to import these spices to Ladakh, sorry, Tibet. Okay, thus history and geography are often tied in the cultural life of a region. So this was the differences in both the regions, but they resemble same in cultural differences. Okay, in cultural backgrounds. So it was always a source of strength, even though there was diversity in different parts of the country and in different parts of the states. It was always a source of strength. Okay, and the British people thought, as there are many different languages and different cultures, different religions, different cultures, British thought it was easy for them to divide the country and it was easy for them to divide and rule. But we have never given them the chance. And the songs and poems reflect India's diversity. As we always tell that India is a great country, India is a great country, India is a great country. So it was always known for everyone that India is a great country and India is a great country because of the diversity we have and the unity we have among ourselves. Okay, so here the blood of Hindus and Muslims flows together today. This part, this lyrics is in the song of a one. This lyrics is in the song which was composed to honor the memory of the brave people who lost lives in Jallianwala Bagh massacre in Amritsar. Okay, so this was sung and which shows the unity among the people of Hindus and Muslims. Okay, and here in the Discovery of India book written by Nehru, he coined the phrase unity in diversity. Okay, he was the first one to coin the phrase this unity in diversity. And also in national anthem written by Rabindranath Tagore, we have Punjab, Sindhu, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravida, Utkala, Vanga. So as you saw, this is the India map. Here the Sindh region, which was once a part of India, This Sindh, Gujarat, Punjab, Maratha, that means Maharashtra and Goa and everything. Dravida, that means Karnataka, Kerala, and Andhra. And also Vanga, that means Utkala means Odisha and Vanga means Bengal, which shows the cultural unity among the states of the country. So this was the understanding diversity summary. Okay, I hope you all like this video, and I hope you all find the video helpful, and thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you everyone, thank you for watching the video. If you have any queries, please do comment in the comment section, and also please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel Geeta's UPSC Corner. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon. Keep supporting me. Thank you so much for watching.